more income sources and diversifying your income stream, I guess to use the term, or multiple income streams. It is important. Companies that do well are companies that have, multiple ways to continue to survive and thrive. And that might seem odd because, you've always been told, hey, what's your focus area? Well, you know what? Having that one singular thing that you are focused and good at that you could put on that resume and say, I'm better than anyone else, that's been a great tactic to get past recruiters in the past to get a job. But now you don't want what a job. Now you are the job. You are the company. And so it needs to be broader and more diverse. That means that you're going to be doing things that you're comfortable doing and things that you're not comfortable doing that are brand new to you. So much like the question around, building a tribe and getting known and building a brand and asking for help, I think this is the same thing. Explore what other income sources are out there. Talk to other people that are in your position. Talk to ones that are just ahead of you and what they've done. Faye and I sit and we talk about all the different possibilities. And what we do is we regularly just experiment with things. We try stuff out. Is this something people want? Okay. If it's something they want, is it something they're willing to pay for? And so we put time into those experiments and learn in the marketplace. And once you do that, like for me right now, I'm a little over 2 years into my career as an entrepreneur. I would say that the majority of my income does come from the consulting arrangements that I have, project work and retainer-based work that I do, that is executive coaching or work specific to transformation and change in culture and organizations. But I also have some that comes in from speaking because I want to do some of that, but I don't want to be just a speaker. I enjoy the consultative advisory interaction. I do have a little bit that's starting to come in from products. And you know what? I create products and tools that I can use in my work. And then some of them, when Faye and I are talking, she goes, that kind of lends itself just to a product that anyone could use. Could we make that kind of DIY and get it out there? And so we'll do that. And if a version of that goes well, then we might do some more of that, put a few hours in, build it out, and, charge a nominal amount of money for that. Again, it's not something that's going to, bring in tens of thousands of dollars, well, at least not yet, but you never know what product somebody really wants and buys or gets used elsewhere. And so for me, I'm just being open to what the possibilities are. Affiliate marketing, I have organizations that I love their products. I use their products. Well, why not say, hey, do you have any kind of affiliate marketing? Because I'm always talking about your product. If I talk about your product and people come to you through me, can I get a nickel off that? And if I can, again, it's not going to change the game, but at least not yet, but you never can tell where that hits. And over time, as you build those streams, and especially with client work as well, I don't focus on saying, hey, I'm just going to have one client. I also say I need time for multiple clients because it keeps me fresh, keeps me engaged, and keeps multiple things happening because there's going to be cycles up and down. You just want to build those entry points over time so that as you move forward, you have a lot more possibility. Then you'll figure out which income streams are the ones you want to focus on and which are the ones that want to have a secondary focus and maybe even tertiary. And that's okay, but you'll never know until you discover it. Don't just make an assumption and do what it is that you need to do.